Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we want to do one thing, that is to replace this front seat, this double seat front seat to one single seat. So in here I actually got a spare seats that I ordered from eBay, whatever. I'm hoping that is going to be a simple job. So before we can remove this, I think well, actually we can put that thing in. We have to remove this double seats here, right? So the way to do it would be super simple. Basically, like, you just put it like this, but it's easy because like I already removed that beforehand, right? So but like if you look at this, there are like two mount here that actually go to the bracket here. So that's how it works. You may need to check out a little, wiggle this thing a little bit because there's a clamp here, right? So this is how you can do that. And for now, let's put that aside. So this is what you get here. Well, actually before that, I forgot to mention I already disconnect the earth of this battery, because you don't want to do that while your battery is connected. This otherwise you will trigger like a SRS fault on your dashboard. That's what I know. I never tried, I don't want to try that. If you did that, you will need to if you got that checker, you may need go to a Mercedes dealership or whoever have that computer to reset the thing for you, because on your dashboard you probably will got a fault, a light. So yeah, anyway, you can also see I got this disconnected because I this need to be disconnected and connected to the connector on your new seat. And going back to this SRS connector, right? So I think if your new seat don't have that thing, you will need a resistor, which I actually order. That is 2.7 ohm resistor. So yeah, I don't know, do I need to use it? I guess I don't have to. And going back to the seat, I was thinking I will need that, but I guess not really. So now I have a spare resistor, but yeah, I guess this is the connector that I need to pull in when I undone the seat. So let's see. These seats do have other connector as well. For example, this guy here, I suspect that may has to do with I don't know, the airbag. I don't think I actually have an airbag. Yeah, I don't know, like I suspect, do I have an airbag here? I don't see any marks, so I guess I don't. But anyway, it got a connector here that I suppose that connector should go into. Yeah, okay. And to remove the double seat, I think just super simple, like 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4 bolt. And also like few of the bolts here. Make sure you got this E-Tox socket. I guess it's E12 or maybe E14, whatever. Is good to have a pair of this, like a set of this when you're working on this Mercedes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undone this and see if that going to remove the seat. Let's see. While I'm doing this video editing, I suspect this Vito originally got only 2 seats in the front instead of 3 seats. Reason being, I only see 1 yellow puck here. If originally it got 3 seats in the front, there should be 2 yellow puck under the bench. But again, this is just my guess. And also, there is something called like a seat occupancy sensor. I don't know if W639 actually have that on some of their model. In my case, if I look at the bench that I just removed, apparently there isn't any sensor on that seat area. So, but anyway, if you're looking to do this conversion, maybe you also want to make sure there isn't any occupancy sensor on the seat. If there is, then you may need a seat emulator instead of that resistor, because basically there are 2 different things and serve 2 different purposes. As you can see, this is removed. It was just of this bolt that I just mentioned. Once you get those bolts out, then this is the area that you have. I don't know, like, do I need to remove like this kind of brackets if I want to put something in, for example, like if I want to flatten this area, what's not. But you got the idea. You probably if you really want to like flatten this thing, something need to be done to remove this bracket, which is another thing. I think for now I can just bolt in the seats here and it should just fit. That's what I think. And I also need to connect this connector, because apart from this connector, I don't see any single connector available here. So yeah. Alright, so I got this fitted. Well, this seat, the condition of the seat is not as good as I would expect it, because, well, I mean, if you order it from internet, you can like see it clearly, right? So, but anyway, I'll just source another one in future. But for now, yeah, this is how it looks like. Right, this area will be like this. So because this seat is heavy, and then like sometimes it's off the well, like it just fall here, so you got some scratch here. So if you need to do this job and then like care about this area, then maybe you want to protect this area a little bit, what's not. So right, so to fit this thing, I think the sequence I would say is first fit these two bolts first. Like fit this two bolt here, right? So on the wheel, right? So here, and then like once this is in place, then you'll be able to slide this thing to the front, and then like this bolt can be fit here. This is what E14, but anyway, get a set of this if you need to work on this thing. I also got the connector here, right? The connector, this guy connected. Let me show you. Can you see it? Like this yellow guy. So I hope there is like some sort of like cover to cover this area, but like for now I'm happy with this. Just, I mean, like make it a little bit lower, then it will probably like cover the area like nicely. So yeah, no, not really, but anyway, better than nothing, right? So right, and now this is the moment of truth. I need to connect this back, turn on the car, and see if I got any warning light. If so, then yeah, I got myself some trouble. Alright, I guess I'm good. I don't see any warning light, so right, I think this conversion was actually doing okay. If you watched this far, first of all, thank you, and I hope you found this video useful and can give you some inspiration on the next project works that you want to do on this Mercedes Vito. I do have some other videos about this Mercedes Vito, so and they are all on this channel. So if you find it useful, I mean, it would be really great if you can give me just a like or subscribe. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this. Cheers.